Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to show the app list in the Start menu in Windows 10. The Start menu is a central hub for accessing apps and features in Windows 10. And in this step-by-step guide, we'll show you how to display the app list for easy navigation. Let's get started. Step 1. First, press the Start button located in the bottom left corner of your screen. This will open the Start menu, which is your gateway to various Windows features. Step 2. Next, go to Settings. You can find the Settings option by clicking or tapping on the cogwheel icon in the Start menu. This will launch the Windows Settings app. Step 3. Within the Settings app, click on Personalization. This section allows you to customize the appearance and behavior of your Windows 10 interface. Step 4. Now click on Start from the left menu. This will open the Start settings, where you can modify the Start menu's layout and options. Step 5. In the Start settings, you'll find an option called Show App List in Start menu. It's located on the right side of the window. Simply toggle the switch to the on position to enable the app list. Enabling the app list in the Start menu provides you with a convenient way to access all your installed applications in one place, allowing for quick and efficient navigation. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more informative videos. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and enjoy easy app navigation with the app list in the Start menu of Windows 10.